Hi everyone! Today we're going to show you how to draw a double-decker bus step by step. Grab your pencils and paper and let's get started. This will be a simple step-by-step process that anyone can follow. Step 1. Draw the base. We'll begin by drawing the base of the bus, starting with a flattened horizontal rectangle near the bottom of the page. Leave some space below for the wheels. On the right side, draw a square for the driver's cabin. Erase the top right corner and round it out. Step 2. Add the lower deck. Behind the driver's cabin, draw a tall rectangle for the lower deck of the bus. Make it slightly taller than the cabin. Above the driver's cabin, add another rectangle as a base for the upper deck. Step 3. Draw the upper deck base. To support the upper deck, sketch a rectangle on top of the lower deck space. Make it the same width, but not too thick. Step 4. Add the upper deck now for the upper deck. Draw a rectangle on top of the base we just made. Round out the top corners. Step 5. Draw the wheels under the bus. Draw 2 circles for the rear wheels. Add 2 more up front under the driver's cabin. Erase any lines running through them. Step 6. Add the door. In the middle of the lower deck, draw a tall vertical rectangle for the door. Round the top corners. Step 7. Add the windows. Use a ruler to make guidelines for the windows. Draw vertical lines between them, erasing guides after. Add the front window. Step 8. Windows for the upper deck. Repeat the window process on the upper deck. Step 9. Refine your drawing erase any overlapping lines and fix shapes as needed. Step 10. Add details and color. To finish, you can add details like a road, trees, bus name, and color it in. There are no limits to customizing your drawing. And there you have it, your very own double-decker bus drawing. I hope you enjoyed following along with this simple tutorial. With some practice, you'll be drawing vehicles in no time. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn to draw next. Be sure to check out the description below for more on our drawing tutorials, services, and to find out how you can support our channel. Thanks for watching,